You think a cyber attack means alarms blaring and explosions. In a real refinery, it looks different. A 2-degree drift on a turbine bearing. An alarm set point quietly changed from 85 to 95 degrees. 6 hours of silent damage. Not dramatic, invisible. That is what a real ICS attack looks like. Every industrial site runs on the same architecture. Field sensors and actuators at the bottom. Controllers, PLCs and DCS. In the middle, the HMI and historian above them. Business IT at the top. This is the Purdue model. Each layer talks to the next. Each connection is a door. Each door is a target. OT devices were built for reliability, not security. A Siemens S7-1200 controlling a pump runs 20 years without rebooting. It cannot receive a Tuesday patch. A patch window in a live refinery means a planned shutdown worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. So the patch never comes. Here is what no camera can film. A Modbus read command is invisible to every alarm system. An attacker sends function code 03, read holding registers. No write, no change, no alarm. In 10 minutes, they have every set point, every valve position, the full plant map. The historian logged nothing. The operator saw nothing. Now the attacker writes back. Function code 16, write multiple registers. 1 frame. The PLC validates syntax, not intent. Set point changes from 12 bar to 28 bar. The control valve opens. Process pressure rises. The system is doing exactly what it was told by the wrong person. Yakagawa Syndom VP has a write protect tag for every parameter. Check that box. The DCS rejects remote writes and logs the attempt. Most plants never enable it. Not because the feature is hidden, it is in the configuration menu every engineer opens. 1 checkbox. That is the gap between a secure plant and a sabotaged one. Defense lives between the layers. But a generic IT firewall cannot read Profinet cycle time headers or detect a malformed CIP reset command. It sees valid Ethernet frames and passes them. An OT-aware gateway, Clarity, Dragos, Nozomi, understands process protocols. It can reject a command that is syntactically correct but operationally illegal. Every layer has an attack surface. Every layer has a defense. Enable write protect on your DCS. Deploy an OT-aware firewall at the IT boundary. Log and alert on Modbus reads, not just writes. The turbine that survives is the one whose engineer took it seriously before the drift began.